Alright, the first thing you need to do to start protecting your network is who's on my Wi-Fi needs to know what your network's supposed to look like. So for right now, let's just go ahead and click on the big Scan Now button. And you can tell that it's scanning down here. Now, who's on my Wi-Fi, the very first time that you set it up, is basically just going to take an overall inventory of your system. Just trying to get an idea of what's already there.
Unknown computer found.
Okay, great. So you see how this says unknown computer found? Well, don't worry about this. These aren't unknown computers. These are actually your real computers. So what you need to do is just double check that these are the computers that you know. These are the computer names. This is probably some kind of IP address that makes sense for them. Let's go ahead and consider them known computers. So you just click over here and click on known. And then you want to save the changes. Okay, now if you scan again by clicking Scan Now, again you'll see that it's scanning down here in the left-hand corner. But you notice that nothing happened. You weren't notified because nothing had changed. There was not an unknown computer on your network. Now just to show you how it works when an unknown computer does join, let's go ahead and remove one of these, this Vista computer right here. Ask if you want to remove it from your known list. You always want to save changes. Now let's go ahead and scan again. Again, you can see that it's scanning down here. You can also tell that the Who's on My Wi-Fi icon is changing from blue to green.
Unknown computer found.
Okay, great. And so it was able to identify the unknown computer. And because this is a good computer, let's go ahead and call it known and save the changes. Now, one thing about Who's on My Wi-Fi is that you don't have to sit there and click Scan Now all the time. It's automatically going to scan every 5 minutes by default without you having to do anything. Right? So at this point, we can basically say that your computer is now set up, or that your computer is now set up to protect your network, to notify you if an unknown computer shows up. So all we're going to do is go ahead and close down the program.